Hey guys, Rob here. I'm just sitting here at the kitchen dining room table, just looking at the birds eating at the bird feeder. Um, we got some small birds right now. Yesterday we had blue jays. What else? I don't remember the rest of them, but yeah. And a little while ago we had a big gray squirrel come up to the bird feeder. Yeah. There's a little guy right down there. Our bird feeder's up here. Hey, little guys. Oh, they're coming in. Yeah. I was hoping to catch some big blue jays because they're like almost a foot tall. This little guy has got a huge belly. Wow. You've been stuffing yourself, haven't you, bud? Check it out. He's a little fatty. And he's a little chickadees. We've been having some what else? I'm not good at bird species names. I'm not. But yeah, there's some more coming. Where's your big brothers? I really can't tell if they're females or males either. It's hard to tell. They're starting to swarm the feeder. Oh, don't fly away, damn it. There's this guy right here. Yeah, look who this is. My brat cat. Look at them big feet he's got. He's got 7 toes on each foot. He's like, give me those birds. I want them chickadees. All right, go for it. You know you want to attack them. Go banging the way out. Bang on the glass. Go. Get him. What are you doing? Huh? Yeah, he's an indoor cat because we don't want him going out because our road is the main road is right down the driveway and he could easily get hit by a car. He's saying, I want him. Give him to me. Oh, we do have seagulls up. Not, yeah, there's seagulls. What the hell? They're over above my neighbor's house flying around. You don't see seagulls around here that often. Anyway, guys, I just short video. Like and leave a comment. See ya. Bye.